Hi, my name's Christopher Sobel, and I love you forever. Thank you, and have a nice day. I have this engine that I couldn't get a power tool on the crankshaft pulley bolt. The head's off too, so I had to come up with a way to hold the engine. And the little hole that you're supposed to stick a pin in to hold the crankshaft is clogged up. So we made it work. So it looks like this, because the head's off. I got the bolt off now, but pretty much just shove some stuff, like put a rag and put a socket inside one of the cylinders when the piston's at the bottom. Took a random piece of sheet metal, drilled some holes in it so it matches up with the cylinder head bolt holes, and then just like put the crap in there and bolt it into place. After that was bolted down into place, there was another bolt too. I got my 1/2-inch ratchet with a giant pipe on it and turned it. It bent this sheet metal quite a bit. Probably use a heavier plate would be better, but it worked, and I got the crankshaft bolt out without power tools and without the proper holding tool. You know, bro. Hi, my name's Ethos.
Subscribe.
And so I tells him, you go in my car, or your head goes in my jaw.
Fish.